How to create a QR code for Google Form. First things first, just pull up your Google Forms, log into your account, and once you log in, you need to click on the form that you wanted to have a generated QR code. You can also start from scratch by clicking the blank form. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, let's just press or click on the forms that I have created earlier for testing. Now make sure that everything is set, the questions and responses and settings, everything is perfect. All you have to do is press on send, and then you move to get your URL. Just shorten your URL, copy your URL link. Now once you copied it, go to canva.com. Now canva.com is a free to use editor or editing website. You just have to create an account, and then once you created an account, you can go ahead and generate a QR code. And from here, you just have to create a design and click customize size. Now the sizing is gonna be 1080, width is gonna be 1080, and height is gonna be the same, 1080. Then click create new design. Now from here, all you have to do is go to apps right here and then search for QR code. And then click on the first result, and you'll just have to enter the URL from your Google form and hit generate code. Now once it's set, you just have to resize it and then click share and then download. So that's how you make a QR code from your Google form.